What's going on, you guys? Francis Abogonye here today, and in today's video we're going to be interviewing Andrew MONHEIM, and we're going to be learning from him how he was able to grow his YouTube channel from 1,000 to about 50,000 plus subscribers in a short time. Okay, now if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, make money online. I share my journey as well as my experiences right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button, take that bell notification icon, that way you get notified when I put out new videos. Now I can see I have a little bit of blisters right here. Just woke up to see this morning, looking funny on my face actually. So for you guys that want to do affiliate marketing and all those cool stuff, I think this video is for you, and I hope you benefit a lot from this video. I hope you learn a lot from this interview and the questions I'm going to be asking Andrew MONHEIM right here on this YouTube channel today. So if you stay to the end and you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I would like to engage with you guys and know your thoughts about this as well. So without any further ado, let's jump right to the interview, and we're going to be hearing from Andrew himself. So Andrew, who's Andrew MONHEIM? Tell us a little about yourself. Let's get to know you.
Hey Francis, first off, I just wanted to thank you for having me on your channel. I'm super excited to give some value to your viewers, and I hope they do enjoy and hopefully get something out of what I have to say. So getting started, my name is Andrew MONHEIM for those of you that don't know. I'm a YouTuber. I do affiliate marketing as well as some coaching / consulting type stuff.
Now tell us, how did you get started with making money online? What's your story like? Let's know your story.
So basically, getting started with making money online, I started doing Shopify, stuff like that, you know, the stuff that was popular probably 2 or 3 years ago, right? So I started about sophomore year of high school, so a little over 3 years ago. So I started with Shopify, didn't really find any success with that. Eventually got into growing Instagram pages, and that's kind of where I first saw a little bit of success with online business, okay? I was able to grow a page to like 60,000 followers in just a few months, and then I sold that page to get back into Shopify to reinvest that money, and I lost it all. Okay, so fast forward probably around senior year of high school, I've wasted probably I've spent probably over $10,000 you know, trying to make money online, and just nothing was working, right? So I decided to start a YouTube because I had knowledge on how to grow Instagram accounts. So I started off posting videos about how to grow Instagram accounts, and then from there I got a little bit into affiliate marketing, saw some good success with that. For about a year I was making about $500 to $750 per month from affiliate marketing. So eventually I kind of shifted my channel towards affiliate marketing, and then now it's kind of shifted to just making money online in general. And things over the past couple months, really the past 2 months or so, I've really scaled up. My YouTube's blown up, as well as my affiliate marketing business, and now I actually do some training and stuff like that, teaching people how they can blow their YouTubes up as well. So that's kind of my story in short terms. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys, but basically got started, didn't really have any success for about 3.5 years, and I'm just starting to now reap the benefits of pretty much just being persistent, investing in myself, and not giving up. Okay, so that's kind of my story. So as of now, I do YouTube, affiliate marketing, and then I do some coaching / consulting, and I do this full time right now. I'm making a full-time income online, which is extremely awesome.
So tell us, what motivates you, and how do you work on your mindset as an entrepreneur, or how do you work on your mindset as somebody who make money online? What's your mindset like?
What motivates me and kind of, working on my mindset, it's different every day, honestly. So sometimes, some days I'll get really motivated, like looking at, a car I want. So for example, like for the past 4 years, I've really wanted to buy a Mustang. So I've kind of let that be a big motivation for me. So if I ever feel unmotivated, I just pull up a picture of the Mustang, and hopefully I'm going to go ahead and buy that in pretty soon. I am planning on buying it before summer starts so I can kind of enjoy it in the nice weather. But I use that as motivation. I always wanted to move out to a warmer place. I live in Ohio. Winters here aren't the greatest, so I also use that as motivation. I like to look at like cool houses on the West Coast where it's warm and stuff like that, and I use that as motivation, right? And then also I use past experiences as motivation as well, right? I used to work a retail job at a grocery store as a bagger, and that right there made me realize that I never wanted to work for somebody else in my entire life. So that itself, even though the experience was really bad, and I hated every second of it, it motivated me to never have to go back to such a point like that, right? So that's also another thing that motivated me. And working on mindset, I don't focus on, I don't do meditation and stuff like that. Maybe it's something I'll do in the future, but I just make sure I have a bunch of positive people in my life. If somebody's being negative, I'll cut them off, or I'll say, hey, you need to stop it, or, I'm gonna cut them off then. So as long as you can have positive influences in your life, and just keep things on a positive note inside your mind, right? Have a good outlook on everything. I think you'll do just fine. So.
What's your YouTube journey like? What have been your struggles? What's the journey like? Just let us know the journey. What's it like?
I kind of talked about my YouTube journey, but again, I started posting, videos about Instagram for about a year and a half. I grew like 700 subscribers during that time. And then when I kind of figured out how to actually grow on YouTube, and the correct strategies to grow, I went from like 700 to like now I'm at like 55,000 subs in basically a month and a half, which is crazy to think about, but that's kind of what my journey's been like.
All right, now what are your income streams and how much do you actually make?
And so my income streams, already touched on this a little bit as well. We've got YouTube ad revenue. Since I'm in the business niche, my CPM, which is basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views, is extremely high. It's a little over $10. So that is a very good source of income for me right now. As last month I got like 1.6 million views, so that equated to well over $10,000 just in ad revenue. Then I do affiliate marketing, selling different programs, software, stuff like that. That does really well. Made, I would say, around $7,000 to $8,000 last month doing that. And then I have like a YouTube course, and I do some training teaching people how to grow their YouTubes, and that's pretty new since I just started, being able to blow on my YouTube. I didn't release something like this till just recently, but that in its first month did about $4,000 profit, and this month I'm expecting it to do about 4,000 to 5,000 again. So that's another good source of revenue. And then now I'm starting to build up other YouTube channels to bring in even more revenue now that I have more time and I kind of know what I'm doing now. So yeah, those are my income streams.
Can someone who wants to learn how to make money online get access to your course and training?
And someone who wants to learn, how to make money on YouTube stuff, my course, maybe Francis will link it, or if you want to come check out my channel and find it through there, but Francis can link it if he wants. It's $77 as of the time of making this, which is extremely affordable, because if you have one video pop off, like, you're gonna 10x what you paid on that, right? And that's just with one video. So, like I said, last month in total, I made like $20,000 from my YouTube channel. If I would have spent the $77 a month before, that's like the 25 times your initial investment. So, actually, no, it's way more than that. It's like 200 times your initial investment. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, Francis, if you want to link my course, so you guys can check out my channel.
All right, just give us a word of advice, okay, for people who just want to get started online. Hi.
And for those of you that want to get started with business online, making money online, stuff like that, what I suggest is there's not one business model I suggest you do, right? Because every single person is different. People are going to have different interests, different budgets, so different business models are better for certain people. So what I recommend you do is kind of test the waters, kind of look throughout the internet, find maybe a couple different business models you may be interested in, and then look even further into them and try to find the one you really, really want to do, right? The one you think you're going to do best with. And then I would invest in a mentor, right? So whether you're going to buy a course or training, my number one recommendation if you want to have success quickly is to invest in a mentor, right? So like I said, whether you're buying an online course or you're going to do coaching calls with them, for whatever business model that is, and that is how you can get on the fast track to success, is by finding one business model you want to master first, and then finding a mentor, and then once you have that automated and you're making a good amount, then you can start opening up other businesses and other income streams. So I hope you guys did get some good knowledge out of this. Thank you again, Francis, for having me on, and I hope you guys did enjoy.
So guys, that's all for this interview. If you enjoy it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you learned a lot, or whatever you learned in this interview, just let me know that in the comment section below. Now if you want to learn from Andrew himself, I'm going to link his course in the description of this video. Just check out the description of this video. You're going to be seeing Andrew's course. You can sign up for his course today. It's just $77, about the strategies and the steps Andrew used, okay, to make money online. Now I'm also going to be linking his YouTube channel in the description box if you want to check out his YouTube channel, and check out other resources that I'm going to be linking in the description as well. And if you want to join our Builderall team, I, Andrew, and Liam, okay, if you want to work one-on-one with us, okay, you can sign up for our Builderall team today. It's just $50 per month, and it's an all-in-one platform which is going to help you build your business online and to do marketing with ease. All right. So guys, that'll be all for this video. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.